Hello everyone. So as part of this project, we will be discussing first a task analysis. So we want to build a AI model to predict the balanced dietary plan for an individual. So first we will be maybe as part of the feature list we will take all the inputs like age, weight, height, etc. from the user, and then we will provide the sources of protein, carbohydrate, vitamin, mineral, etc. to our user, and it will be in a balanced diet format. So at first we will train our model. So first we will provide the input. We will search from the web or internet for all the permutation combination of age, weight, height, everything, and for that specific combination what will be the dietary plan. Secondly, we will take the input from the user on the sources of food they take to complete their protein intake, carbohydrate intake, vitamin, mineral, everything, and we will be storing those information in a database. Third, we will take the input from the user on their bodily parameter like age, weight, height, etc., and feed into the AI model to get the balanced dietary plan. So it will provide the output like this much amount of protein the individual should take, or this much amount of carbohydrate that individual should take, and then we will map those values with the sources of food the individual has entered earlier, and we will try to map those so that whatever available sources of food are there for the specific individual, they can complete their balanced dietary uh, percentages of protein or carbohydrate intake from those sources only. And the next step will be to take the health related medical history of those individuals to feed in the AI model and to get the help from any medical professional to come up with any dietary plan. So again, this will work as an augmented intelligence and it will be not an artificial intelligence per se. Now next on the user experience, so users will have two mandatory forms to fill and one optional form. First will be the food sources for protein, carbohydrate, fibers, etc. Second form will be for the bodily parameters, and third will be for the health related past history. And our approach for the AI product user experience design will be user input that will be via the user input form. We will communicate how the AI model will work and how the input will be used for transparency. And we will be also having one about section where we will briefly discuss about the AI model working and everything. And we will also communicate the uncertainties that for some corner cases like skinny guy or overweight people, the model might not provide the correct balanced dietary plan information or recommendation. And for coming to the privacy concern, so for privacy concern, maybe we can have federated learning so that we can directly making the data available in the user mobile or user device, and we can train the model directly in the device itself so that we are not taking out any data or user related personal identifiable information from the device. And second is the differential learning where we might add few noises in the data so that we can't specifically identify any individual per se. And as per the privacy laws are concerned, so in India we have Digital Personal Data Protection Act. So on that one we should be taking care of the transparency, data minimization, accuracy, accountability, purpose limitations, data security and storage limitation. Main potential bias, we can say that learning bias, as it will be only used in the metro cities firstly. So data will be more inclined to the people or to the sources of food that are present in the metro cities. Then deployment bias might be there, that rather than the model used for dietary recommendation, it might be used to get the sources of food with the help of user input. And feedback loop bias might be there where feeding or training the model with the output of the model will result in model recommending similar food sources only. and it will meet the three goals of ethical AI, like fairness, accountability, and transferability. Suppose for individual fairness, the model will take into consideration the individual parameters only, so there is no concern as such. However, there might be good fairness as it will be mostly in the urban areas, so we need to train more on the rural areas as well. Then accountability, whosoever has built the AI model should be accountable for any future legality concern. And for transparency purpose, we can have a small brief demo in the app itself so that user are more comfortable using that application or AI model. Thank you.